Lord, you want us to love others with your own love divine. Lord, we open, fill our hearts with your love for all mankind. Your love is fully supplying, no more on ourselves relying. Overcome in us, fill us with yourself as love. We need a universal love. Our human love is not enough. Your love is pure and boundless, unlimited and exhaustless. Be our divine prevailing love, our universal love. You are loving and forgiving, in our hearts you reside. You are seeking and believing, let your love through us shine. Lord, may we love one another in the church of your desire. We're revived to serve you as we are filled with love. We need a universal love. Our human love is not enough. Your love is pure and boundless, unlimited and exhaustless. Be our divine prevailing love, our universal love. You love all men, all your children.